Got something big, I think. It's a red? If that's a red, you got a big red. Be careful, be careful. Try to keep them in the water because it's so big and just scoop them into the net. Yeah, that's a big fish. So just head first, put the net in the water and just drag them into the net. Nice.
That was a good fight.
Yeah, put your hand under and show off the tail. That's gonna be a good picture. That's a big fish.